Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products in the three-rail O-Gauge hobby. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Menards has added two new cars to its popular line of budget rolling stock. First is a new chassis system 40-foot boxcar, priced at $24.99 each, or $84.96 for a 4-pack, before rebates. And next up is a new chassis system 4-bay covered hopper, also for $24.99 each, or $124.94 for a 6-pack, before rebates. Note that the hopper will negotiate O27 curves, but not most O27 turnouts. See my previous review of these cars before ordering. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing a sleigh full of limited edition Christmas releases beginning this fall. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers between August and November of 2026. In the Premiere line are a pair of AC 4400 diesels with matching 4-car lighted holiday 50-foot boxcar sets. One is decorated as the famous Canadian Pacific holiday train, and the other wears generic Merry Christmas markings. The diesels are priced at $729.95 each, while the boxcar sets are priced at $429.95 each. In the Rail King line is the O-Gauge Rail King Imperial ES44 AC diesel in Merry Christmas colors with a suggested retail price of $499.95. Or choose the matching wide vision caboose for $99.95. Passenger fans may like this Christmas Alco PA diesel for $459.95, and the matching 4-car 60-foot streamlined passenger car set is priced at $459.95, or the 2-car sleeper and diner set for $234.95, the individual streamlined coach with LED lights for $119.95, or the full Vista Dome car with LED lights for $129.95. The new Christmas Bump and Go trolley with holiday lights is priced at $119.95, and the Rail King Christmas 4-car 50-foot plug door holiday boxcar set is priced at $379.95. Two different Rail King Christmas 2026 boxcars are available for $69.95 each, while the new Christmas cylindrical hopper with holiday lights is priced at $89.95. Rail King Christmas gondolas are available in red or green with lighted snowmen, and they are priced at $84.95 each, while the new Christmas smoking tank car is priced at $99.95. The Christmas flat car with lighted trees and packages is available in white, green, or red and is priced at $89.95 each, along with the Christmas flat car with Santa sleigh and reindeer, also available in green or red for $89.95. 3 new nativity scene flat cars are available for $84.95 each. The Tiny Elves Workshop is priced at $79.95, and the Christmas Country Passenger Station with holiday lights is priced at $109.95. Still in the Christmas theme, MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge 460 steam locomotive in Christmas colors for Mr. Muffin's trains. The locomotive is paired with a separately packaged and matching 3-car Overton passenger set. The set will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis beginning in May 2026. The locomotive is priced at $649.95, while the 3-car passenger set is priced at $259.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premiere O-Scale GP35 locomotive in Southern Railway colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft and Berkshire Station. The locomotives will be available in 2 different cab numbers in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis beginning in June 2026. The early order price is $659.95. MTH Electric Trains will be producing 4 exclusive trailer-on-flat car sets featuring Staten Island businesses for Easy Catch. The trailers will be decorated for Easy Catch, Holterman Bakery, Met Foods, or Ryman's Hardware. Expected to arrive in late 2026, the early order price is $74.95 each. MTH will also be producing an exclusive Staten Island Rapid Transit offset cupola caboose for easy catch. Expected to arrive in June 2026, the early order price is $89.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premiere O-Scale 40-foot USRA double sheet boxcar in colorful ball glass colors for Berwyn's Toys and Trains. Each boxcar will be offered in 2 different car numbers and will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis beginning in October 2026. The early order price is $79.99. And as seen on Toy Train Tips and Tricks, I have been amazed by how quickly and easily I can create accurate 3D models from photos, images, and even from text using the new Treepo 3.0 app. To learn more, follow the link in the video description to our original multimedia homepage to find links to Treepo and other channel sponsors. What's New in O-Gage is published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, so be sure to subscribe and click on the notifications bell so you never miss an episode. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.